Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sanford Khan, business author and economic consultant. Welcome to Rogue Economics again. This title of this presentation is What are the 5 and only 5 ways of creating real wealth in any society? And there's only 5 ways. It doesn't matter if it's 2,000 years ago, today, or 2,000 years in the future. It's not going to change. There's only 5 ways of creating real wealth in any society. What are these 5? I wrote them down for you so you could see them. This is not a Hollywood production, so I'll try to get it straight. The 5 are fishing, mining, agriculture, construction, and manufacturing. I'll say that again. Fishing, mining, agriculture, construction, manufacturing. Those are the only 5 ways of creating true wealth in any society. Only 5. Now you might say, there's a fly in the ointment, Mr. Khan. What about the service economy? The service economy is important, especially in the measure of GDP, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product measures economic activity. Obviously, the service economy is part of economic activity. But the service economy is to be of service. I'll say that again. The service economy is to be of service to one or more of these 5. Without these 5, you would not have a service economy. You must have one or more of these 5 to have a service economy. You don't have to have all of these 5. Now you could say, what do these 5 things have in common? Let me again put up these 5. There, you can see them. What do these 5 things have in common? What does fishing have in common with manufacturing? At first glance, you would say, nothing. It has nothing in common. Very little. I mean, the fishing poles are manufactured and all that stuff, but outside of that, probably very little. Well, they all have one thing in common. They are all production activities, productive activities. They involve production. And that leads to an interesting conclusion, that the true wealth of any society lies in its ability to produce, not consume. I'll say that again. The true wealth of any society lies in its ability to produce, not consume. This is your homework assignment. In this class, there's only going to be one homework assignment. You are to memorize these 5 functions, 5 ways of creating real wealth in any society. Again, from the ocean to the land: fishing, mining, agriculture, manufacturing, and construction. Commit those to memory. If we should ever meet, I want you to come face to face with me and repeat these 5. If you can remember these 5 and recite them to me face to face without any notes, ladies and gentlemen, you go to the head of the class. So this is the true way true wealth is created in any society, in any time period, whether it be 2,000 years ago, today, or 2,000 years in the future. It'll always be the same. It will not change. I'd like to conclude like I always do and tell you that in the economic environment we're in now and will be in the future, that liquidity is king, not Elvis. Good luck to you, good investment, and be liquid and also be happy. Goodbye now.